What's up, everybody? In this video I take a ride from Melissa, Texas to Honey Grove, Texas and on to Bonham. The route from Melissa to Honey Grove came from motorcycleroads.com. I will leave directions in the description if you would like to ride this route. This route from, what is it? I think it's TexasMotorcycleRoads.com or motorcycleroads.com, and then this was, on the list of rides in North Texas somewhere. I mean, this is not a route I made up. I have ridden part of the rides that, excuse me, not part of the rides. I have ridden part of the roads that I'm taking here. But some of them I have not so far. Granted, we're not that far into the ride. Very nice, very nice. Hopefully it keeps up. This stretch I have done before. Some of the stretch a little bit earlier I have not done. Quite a bit of nice hills through here. We're going to go ahead and pass this person. Not that they're going slow. They're not, but it's nice to not really have somebody in front of us. You never know what they're going to do, if they're going to hit the brakes, if they're suddenly going to need to turn, they obstruct your vision. So, know what I mean, Vern? There's an old cemetery. Intersection. Ah, no, here we go. They do have a downtown. Here's downtown Celeste. hopefully it's good. That's just kind of what you get when you don't have much wind protection. I mean, I'm sure I could like duck in like this and it would help out, obviously, but that's just not as comfortable as being up here. Come on, guys. It's alright. We will make do. Okay, I'm supposed to, yeah, turn here towards Wolfe City. That is Wolfe with an E. That I had more, what's the word I'm looking for? More wipes, more lens wipes. That's what I'm looking for. Because I gotta tell you, my visor is crazy buggy, dirty, buggy dirty. Nothing like gravel in a curve. Gravel in the curve. Done with it yet, but so far, I mean, I have to say, I really don't have any complaints about this route so far. Route, whatever you say. I say route, but this route so far is great. If you're, if you live in the Dallas area, it's not something like, oh, you should travel here from across the country and do this route. I'm just saying, if you live in North Texas and you're looking for a good route, I would recommend this one so far. Yeah, it's not really like, any hairpin turns or anything. It's just some nice sweeping curves, hills up and down, smell of cow manure that I just got. I mean, it's really beautiful. Now, in seriousness, I mean, it's just kind of a relaxing ride. Look, you got the bricks. And I need to make a left turn. Making a left turn. Whoa, look at those potholes. Oh my goodness. Awfully close to Goober, huh? Be a lot cooler if it was Goober. Another town, but I don't know what the name is. I don't know what the name is. Not sure what I'm doing. Alexa, stop. The heck? call. If there's not a left turn soon. Oh, look at that. That's a cool looking house. Really cool. I think I saw a Texas historical marker placard on there. Oh, that's right. I don't know how to pronounce that. Is that Ladonia or Ladonia? Or Ladonia or Ladonia? I don't know. What? Ladonia. I'm not read so good. Maybe you could tell me. I don't know. But that house was really cool looking. Kind of want to look that up and see if that was actually a historical marker that I saw on there, and see what that's all about. Like I said, I like history. I'm into that. That's my thing. Bump ahead. Great. Holy crap, you weren't kidding. That is a bump, isn't it? Ooh. It's also gravel. What is this all about? Is this area a flood or something? This must be a floodplain. Has to be. North Sulphur River. Man, does that thing come up and flood? Fossil Park, huh? That's something else I'll have to look up. Interesting. Look at that house over there, that's cool. We are going left towards Bonham. Interesting. That's a pretty house. I don't know what the speed limit is through here, but given the fact that there's a vehicle behind me that's steadily been gaining on me, I'm guessing I'm not really exceeding the speed limit, or if I am, it's not by much.